Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Fred Meyer Gift Card online using your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box, type in redeem Fred Meyer Gift Card and press enter. From the search results on the next page, click on this first link that says gift cards online, pick up e-gift cards and bulk credit cards option right here, and this will take you to this page. Scroll down and you'll be able to see a link that says kroger.com/gift card activation. Give it a click and you'll end up in this page. Here you can go ahead and enter the gift card number for all of these stores over here displayed at the very top of the screen. One of them is Fred Meyer as well. Go ahead and type in the UPC number that is available at the back of your gift card for Fred Meyer and then enter your barcode number on the next field. Soon after you do that, click on the add card button and that way you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Fred Meyer. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.